see the sun in the sky? Can you see rain? It is sunny outside, or it is rainy. What is your favorite type of weather? What do you do when it's sunny? What do you like rainy weather? What type of weather do you know?
Đọc nhầm nhả vô nha.
Sunny. The sun is a star. It is very, very hot. The sun has lots of heat and light. Heat and light from the sun come to earth. The heat and light make earth warm, so we can live here. Light from the sun comes to earth is 8 minutes. Some places are warm and sunny all year, and they have no seasons. Some places have seasons. In summer, there's more light from the sun, so it is warm. In winter, there's less light from the sun, so it's cold. Is it warm and sunny where do you live? Rainy. Rain falls from clouds in the sky. There are many raindrops in the cloud. When small raindrops meet, they make one big raindrop. When there are a lot of big raindrops, rain falls to earth. People, plants, and animals use water to live and grow. When rain falls, water goes into rivers. Water in rivers go into ocean. When it's sunny, water at the top of the ocean gets warm. Some of the water goes up into the sky. Water in sky makes clouds when rain falls again. This is called the water cycle. Cloud. Do you see clouds in the sky? Cloudy. Do you see clouds in the sky? Where do you live? Some clouds are gray and some clouds are white. Gray clouds have many raindrops. White clouds don't have many raindrops. When it's cloudy, big clouds stop. Some light from the sun comes to earth. Coming to earth. Cumulonimbus clouds are very, very big. When you see this type of cloud, get your umbrella. Cumulonimbus clouds have lots and lots of raindrops. They can make big storms. Cumulonimbus clouds can make lightning. Lightning is very, very hot. Snowy. When it's very cold in the sky, water into clouds is ice. So for some ice cloud falls to earth. When it falls, the ice in snow. When it falls, the ice is snow. When snow falls on warm ground, the snow melts. When the snow is water again. Some water goes into the ground to help the plant to grow. Some water goes into rains. When snow falls on go into rivers. When snow falls on cloud ground, it's white everywhere. When lots of snow falls on mountains, people can go skiing. When a lot of snow falls on houses and streets, people can't drive their car. They can't go to school or work. Windy. Do you know the sun makes wind? Windy is an air that moves in the sky. There's air and sun make two air warm. Warm air goes into the sky. In the sky, it's very cold, so the air gets cold. When the air is cold, it goes down again. Wind blows. A breeze is wind that blowing it. A breeze can blow flags in the sky. Some winds blow fast. A hurricane is wind that blow very low, very fast. When there's a hurricane, people are scared. A hurricane can blow down streets and houses. Warm and wet. In a tropics, it is warm and wet all year. Many rainforests grow in the tropics. In a rainforest, trees get lots of light and rain, and they grow very tall. In some rainforests, there's 3 centimeters of rain every day. Many animals live in warm, wet rainforests. Monkey lives in trees, and they get nuts and fruit. Birds fly from tree to tree. Birds eat many beasts. They eat nuts and fruit too. Small frogs drink raindrops on big leaf of rainforest tree. Cold and dry. In the Arctic and the Antarctic, very cold and dry. A lot of water is ice and snow. There are no trees. Plants can grow in this place. There are white ice and snows everywhere. Are there many animals in the There aren't many animals in the Arctic and the Antarctic. There are no leaves, fruits, or nuts for animals to eat. Seals swim in the ocean to find fish. They eat lots of fish and they grow very fast. This helps them to be warm. People and weather. When it's sunny, people get hot. Many buildings have windows with shutters. When it's sunny, the shutters stop the heat and light going into the buildings. When people in the buildings don't get hot. When it's sunny, many people wear a hat. Then their hat doesn't get hot. When it's raining, people get warm. When it's rainy, people can get wet. Buildings have roofs. The rain falls off the roofs, and it doesn't go into the buildings. When people in the building don't get wet. When it's raining, many people use an umbrella. Then they don't get wet. What do you do when it's rainy and when it's sunny? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.